Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view contacts by category in Microsoft Outlook. This is a really useful feature when you want to organize and access your contacts based on different groups or labels you've assigned them. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, wait for your emails to load completely so you have full access to all of Outlook's features. Now that your email has loaded, let's navigate to your contacts. Direct your attention to the bottom left part of your screen where you'll see 4 different icons. Look for the icon that shows 2 people. This is your contacts menu. Click on this icon to access your full contacts list. This area is where all your saved contacts are stored and where you can manage how they're displayed. Once your contacts menu opens, we need to adjust the view to reveal the category headers that will allow us to organize everything properly. Navigate to the View tab located at the top part of your screen and click on it. From the options that appear, click on Change View. This section controls how your contacts are displayed and gives you several different layout options to choose from. Under the Change View menu, look for the List option and click on it. This will switch your contacts to a list view format, which makes it much easier to sort and organize large numbers of contacts. You'll now see your contacts presented in a clean, organized list format that's perfect for sorting by different criteria. Now here's the key step. In this list view, simply look for the categories header at the top of your contact list and click on it. When you do this, Outlook will automatically sort all of your contacts by their assigned categories. This means that all contacts tagged with the same category will be grouped together, giving you a beautifully organized contact list based on the categories you've previously set up. This makes it incredibly easy to find specific groups of contacts, whether they're work colleagues, family members, or any other category you've created. And that's it. You've now organized your Outlook contacts by category, making it much easier to manage and access specific groups of people. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.